So I am going to remove this turbo driver side. I took my water line off already, took my intake pipes off already up there. To remove this turbo, it's an eBay T28 turbo. Go ahead and take this off. Take this off. I already took my wastegate actuator off. It's kind of hard to tell. Okay, there we go. Take this water line off. Take this one off. You want to start by taking, once you remove this water line, you want to go ahead and already remove that nut. There's another nut right next to it. You want to take that one off first because that one's the hardest one to take off. If you wait to do that one last, all the way to the turbo is going to be on that nut, and it's going to be very difficult to take off. So I recommend take that one off first. Go ahead and move to that one. Once you take your downpipe off, go ahead and move and do the back ones because obviously you'll have space. The easiest way I found it was I got a 10 mil and I cut it. By the way, my bolts, or my nuts rather, that hold it in my turbo up are 10 millimeter nuts, specialized for exhaust. I got off, I don't know why, but a lot of BMW owners use it on their exhaust manifolds, so I just ended up just buying a set and using that for my turbos because at the end of it, it flares and it's pinched, so when you screw it in there, it doesn't back out. And they're rated for high heat. So yeah, so go ahead and take this off, and then we'll get back to it. There you have it. My turbo is out. As you can see, the motor's still in the car, transmission's still in place. Easy peasy. Little progress update. Got my other turbo in. I'll take this off because I had a solid bushing here and I changed it to polyurethane because I got tired of the vibration. But anyways, there's my other turbo I rebuilt, and there's my old one over there. So yeah, if I had to say, it probably took me maybe 3 hours to do it or so, and that's me just procrastinating. It's not too difficult. I mean, I did it before, but to each their own. All I got left is to install my downpipe and then hook up my exhaust, but I was gonna wrap my downpipe, so I'm gonna wait a little bit.